This technique is so simple and you can make it so much cuter than we did. Okay, guys, I am going to admit this composition may be a little different. Like it says, let's get cozy, and we have some spring roses. I don't know. But I hope to give you an idea of what you can do to make a hand-painted sign look really good. Even if you just do the letter part, it's going to be good. So I got this little tool. You can get them at dollar store, at Dollar Tree. And I did order the carbon paper off of Amazon because it's like $1 a sheet at Staples. So get you a batch off of Amazon. So then get on Pinterest and look up some words you want to say, spell out your kids' names, whatever you want to say, print it off. And then if you have access to a copier that will enlarge your words or your saying, that's awesome too. You can splice a couple of copy sheets together to get the word longer, all the things. Get creative. But I just wanted to show you how you can do it without a stencil, without my fabulous stamps that have fonts of the Iron Orchid. So that's a possibility. But my kids taught me this and I love it. I even used to use this for wood burning. It just makes a great template for your guide to wood burn if you want to do that. So right here I messed up, so I just took a Lysol wipe and erased it a little bit and then went back over it. This is DIY clay paint and just a whole bunch of different sizes of artist brushes, pointed, angled, whatever you like, you'll get a feel for it. And you just get in there and have fun. This is so relaxing. Now I'm getting super artsy fartsy. I'm blending some colors. DIY blends really good if you dip it in some water and just work it to shade it, to add some pizzazz to it. If it looks bad, just go back over it like with the red color and just start again. So just have fun with this. This is a discarded cabinet board that was already green. So I just, it's not a big deal. Get in there and practice and you could do a really good one when you get good at it. I have an Iron Orchid stamp that is called Cozy, and it has coffee cups and tea bags and snowflakes and sweaters and all the stuff. You don't have to do this, but I take a little fine sanding block and just give it a little sand. It just makes it look a little bit more less feathery and sharper. Okay, so after you do this, the DIY clay paint does need sealed with water-based top coat or wax, and the ink does take 24 hours to dry, so you don't really want to smudge them together, so let it dry and then put a top coat on it, or sometimes I don't even do it. I don't even top coat if it's a sign. It's not like a tabletop or end table or something. Like and subscribe. I release a video on Wednesday and Fridays. Thanks for watching.